You know the drill? Anong mali dito? A, B, C, or D? Or wala bang mali? Neither the manager nor his assistant was available to respond to the media after the press conference. 5 seconds. Tamang sagot, letter B, was available. At kung lagi kayong nanonood dito, alam nyo na by now ang proximity rule na lagi kong dinidiscuss. Since meron tayong neither nor dito, o kahit either or pa yan, not only but also, in short, mga correlative conjunctions, lagi tayong titingin doon sa subject na mas malapit doon sa verb natin. In this case, meron tayong dalawang subjects dito na pinagkukonect ng neither nor, right? Yung manager na singular at yung assistants na plural. At since mas malapit yung assistants dito sa verb natin, ang susundin nating agreement ay yung assistants. Since plural siya, ang tamang verb na gamitin ay were. So the sentence should read, neither the manager nor his assistants were available to respond to the media after the press conference.